Recently I researched on how to earn money online. I found some ideas and also got success. So today I share some of my experiences. I research on YouTube. I saw some channels which are made by the help of AI. Below me AI. If you see this channel, that AI basis channel. It's a monetized channel and also named 31,000 subscriber. How to in 5 minutes. This is another channel which is also work by the help of AI. If you see this channel, it is 129,000 subscriber. It means it has a huge amount of audiences. If we check the about information of this channel, it's a very new channel. It was created in this year. Only 5 months before. It means it's grew in a very short time. By researching lots of things today, I will show you ideas to grow your channel faster by help of AI. Hi. Welcome to Thrive Mentor. So now I am going to create a YouTube channel by the help of artificial intelligence. Literally the channel fully generated by the help of AI. So for this, first I open ChatGPT and want to know some content idea. Here it suggests me lots of content ideas like travel vlogs, cooking tutorials, fitness and wellness, technology reviews, fashion and style, DIY crafts and projects, comedy sketches, educational videos, beauty and makeup, gaming, book reviews, and personal development, parenting tips, language learning. As I want to create a tech-related channel, I asked ChatGPT to suggest some name related to tech. So here it suggests me some uncommon channel name. Thrive Mentor. I picked this name and boom. I told ChatGPT that I choose Thrive Mentor. Then again I asked ChatGPT to write me the description for my channel Thrive Mentor. Here it write me the description. Then again I want to know some keywords for my channel. I collect all the data in a Google text document. After these I am going to make a logo for my channel by the help of AI. Loca.ai. This is a logo maker AI website. Press on a new tab and search Loca.ai and wait some time. So here I enter my channel name and press on continue. I select technology and press continue. Here I select technology and it shows some icon. I can choose 5 icon from these. So I choose some icon and again press on continue. So here it generated some logo on the basis of those icon which I selected. It automatically make the logo. I customize the logo. Finally my logo is ready. Here is my final output. Now I need to go to YouTube and make a channel. Then customize the channel by adding profile picture, watermark picture, cover picture, keywords, description, and some more basic things. Write the description which I previously collect from ChatGPT. Now just press on publish. Now everything is set. My channel is fully ready. Now I need to upload a video. In my next video I will show you the procedure to upload a video which rank very soon. I will also show you some hidden tricks to grow your channel very soon. That's it for today. Stay with Thrive Mentor. Subscribe our channel Thrive Mentor and hit the bell icon for new video. Thank you.